Hi and welcome to your Momentum Booster Shop. Quick coaching for smart business growth designed to help you get momentum every day and results all year. Okay, most business owners either play too safe or they dream too big without a plan. But here's the thing, your income and profit goals should do both. They should be grounded in reality but big enough to energise you. And to achieve that, firstly you want to start with your minimums. What's the least you're going to need to cover costs to pay yourself for your business to stay sustainable? So you've got to know your baseline figures. Next, you want to know or add your ideal stretch. What would excite you? Would that be, for instance, 25 to 50% above your minimum, or maybe enough to grow, invest, or hire someone without you overreaching? And then you want to link it to action by converting the income goal into something that you can control. Things like the number of clients, the number of customers, the products sold, the hours billed, whatever it is that fits your model. Okay, your momentum move for today. Define two targets, your must hit income and your would love to hit income stretch goal. Then break them down further into weekly and daily actions you're able to track. And remember, these tips only work if you work them, so give this a go. Take this idea from theory to practice and from practice to mastery. Because trust me, you will thank yourself later. Because one step every day, that's momentum.